Okay, I'm taking off.
Take off.
Okay. Okay, this is Laval West Side, or Laval sur Lac. These are the new condos here. So I'm gonna just start here. You might not see them because I'm going right across. Okay, now what do we got? We got nothing back there. I'm gonna follow pretty low this time. Move this over here. Okay, I'm too high and too far. Bring it down. Okay, let's see. Finding me, yes. Active track. Go. Whoops. Now I have to start recording. I'm gonna give it a... Okay, so there's a little delay there, but that's good. Okay, so here we go. Nope, I don't want to do that. I'm gonna start recording. Do it again. Okay. That's not in the way. Okay, I'm gonna go a little faster this time than the last two because I think it's gonna follow me. Okay, so right away I'm gonna go this way. And shouldn't be much traffic. There shouldn't be any traffic here because this is a dead end now. That's where we're going now. I don't know what it's seeing. Okay, so it's gonna follow me. Should be good. Now I'm on the bike path. I made sure there wasn't too many people on the dam. So here we go. We're now in Laval sur Lac. This is now a dead end until they fix the crossing over there at the Ruisseau. So, okay. So, as you can see, still following me pretty good, so. Okay, so crossing the dam now. I'm putting in the last spans on the dam. I'll try to get you to see that a little bit. Whoops. Whoops, that was a big bump. Okay, yeah, as you can see, I made sure that there wasn't too many people on this dam. Usually there's a lot of fishermen and whatever. This is a Thursday, so the weekend would be bad here. Gotta be careful here of my thing. I don't know if you see on the left there. You're going to see a pickup truck on the left side when I go up through here. That's the pickup truck that has all the lifeboats in case people fall into the water. There's always a lifeboat on duty here with people in it. Okay, so whoa. The reason I can't go that fast too is my controller could come out of my packet. Okay, on the right, we're going by what used to be Manoir Grand-Moulin, which is now Sélection de Montagne. I'm gonna try to go here, and you should see right across, right in front of me is Cascades. That's the Manoir Grand-Moulin now, and this is Sélection de Montagne, which has 27 condos on the top floor, 200 units on floors 3 to 7, and 40 beds for people that can't take care of themselves. They're more temporary. That's indoor parking. That's coming up on the right. But right now we're at the end of Grand-Moulin. This used to be the Grand-Moulin. I guess I'll show you a picture of what used to be there a long time ago. Now we're going on Grand-Moulin. On the left side is the new part of the Cascades. Newish part of the Cascades, I should say. Here's some old houses that are still around there on Grand-Moulin. Now, let's see how well it's following me. Might have to lower it a bit because it still seems a bit high. Lower it a bit. Okay. We're approaching the end of Boulevard du Lac. So, okay, I'm just going to stop here for a second. So you remember, right in front of me now is Maisonneuve's. It used to be. Where's it going? Ouais. Il me suit. Now we're coming on these streets. 50 Grand-Moulins on the left. That's being rented for a year. After that, there's a plan to build something there, but I'm not sure if that's going to go through. There's a petition going out. Here is Rockland Street, Stony Point down here, in case I'm going to just go here so you know the beginning of Stony Point, but I'm not going down Stony Point. No, I didn't want to. Somehow it lost me. I don't know what happened. It made a funny noise. It didn't hit anything. I'm gonna get a little closer because and a little lower. Oops, I don't know what it's saying. Active track, go. Oh no? je restais là avant. Je restais à 67. C'est mon ancienne maison. I'm not sure what exactly happened, but anyways. On the right here is my old house, 67 Grand-Moulin. The Gervais, the Gratons, Edmond Lefebvre's house. Coming down the hill where I've come down many times on my bike before, but now not with the brakes on usually. And we're just going to do a little turn here to show you the Masonic Temple, which is now the Heritage Club. It's the Heritage Club. There's a house where the Pollocks used to live, and next door in the big lot there's a multi-dwelling house that was built in its place. On the back, it's going to follow me around in front of the Masonic. Come on back. Okay. Now here's a boat ramp on Grand-Moulin. You see that coming up. People putting their boats. The water is really high for this time of year. That's why I'm not going to do my Laval West thing, because the beach is still closed in Laval West. Okay, and here's the park that is now basically a dike, because they had to raise it in the 70s to stop the flooding of this area. That's on the right. And those are the big chairs on the right for the 100th anniversary. They're chained down. They don't want anybody to steal them, which is kind of funny. My brother lives right next, right on the left side here. Ernie. Says I have 14 minutes left of battery. I'm far enough away from the home point that it's going to want to land. It's going to figure out that it's far away, so when the low battery comes around, it's going to want to go back. So I'm doing some construction here. I've got 16 minutes left, so okay, here's the end of Maple Street. Recognize some of the houses here. because there's no big trucks coming. And I don't know the last time. Train when that comes back. And the Grand-Moulin station is right ahead there on the right. And there's a bunch of new big buildings because you have to densify around train stations. It's the law. So many of these places are going for lots of bucks. Okay, well, I think that's about it for the ride, and maybe I'll go. Since we went down 8th Avenue last time and I had a little problem with the drone not following me, I'm gonna go down and go in front of what used to be Major's and IGA and then use. Yes, I went through another stop sign. Yay! That one was for you, Ralph. Okay, on the right here was Major's store. There aren't any pictures of outside Major's. And over here was Barber. IGA used to be right here at the end. So, call it quits right here. You see the new. That's it. That's it for this one. Stay tuned for more. Okay. Stop. Hello. Stop recording. X my out. Stop this. X that out. Stop that. And land.